Good morning. It is, what's today? Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. So it's our second day of our trip, and we are starting the day off at Hollywood Studios. We don't have lightning lanes or anything. We're just flying by the seat of our pants here, trying to see like what is the shortest, what's the best options for us. So my mom, always been a space nerd, anything Star Trek, Star Wars. So she particularly loves Galaxy's Edge. So we're gonna go ahead and head over there. Smuggler's Run was only 20 minutes, and since there's 6 of us, we now fill up an entire cockpit. So that's always nice, because I feel bad whenever we ride with a single rider, because the kids are always the pilots. We crash into everything. So I'm excited. We're headed there now, and then I think we're gonna get breakfast, and then hope that Rise of the Resistance kind of goes down a little bit. Again, flying by the seat of our pants, seeing what we're gonna get into today.
That was 85 minutes. When is that?
I enjoyed footage the last time.
Barbecue.
Yeah, it was like a big thing of barbecue. Oh, she knows what she's saying.
So,
To operate the ship and gunners to defend the shipments, and that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions.
alright, we got breakfast finally. So we got 2 breakfast Ronto wraps, and we also got the overnight oats. Looks so good and so pretty. Alright, breakfast Ronto wraps eaten. And I know I've been seeing a lot of people saying that their hot take is that they don't love breakfast Ronto wraps. I think they hit every time. They're so good. And also, that overnight oats cup was surprisingly really good. It was sweet, fresh. I'd get it again every time. It was a great accompaniment with a Ronto wrap. Hop in the standby line because it's only 50 minutes, which is pretty good. So when we first got into the park, this jumped up to 80 because that's everybody bum rushes it, right? They immediately go to this one, which it is, it's a banger. So we try to also, but 80 minutes, no. So I went down to 50 because everybody who did that initial rush gone off of it now.
Like once or twice, yeah.
Oh, it's working now? Yay.
What ride do you want to ride next? The alien ride there. Titan or 30 minutes.
Alright, we're headed to Toy Story Mania because it has a 25-minute wait right now, and it's about almost 11:30. Since we ate a later breakfast, we're gonna just ride this, enjoy our little time in the Toy Story area, and then we're gonna head back to the Star Wars area, Galaxy's Edge, back to
Tomatoes.
Alright, let's head in so I can beat everyone as a humble brag. I am shockingly good at this.
Let's try to get the.
Oh, alright, so we stopped at the Strawberries Cart right outside of Tower of Terror because we need a coffee anyway, and they have the pumpkin espresso martini. That was in my Disney Springs video, and I raved about it. And they have it here at this Joffrey's. We got a double. And then we also just got a black shaken Jamaican. No flavorings, no anything needed. It's just really good on its own. But this is definitely one of our favorite Joffrey's carts in all the parts. So good. Oop! I spilled a little again. And what was yours called again, Mom?
Pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch latte.
Pumpkin patch latte. And then my mom also got all the kids' donuts to split. So Milo, what'd you get? Donut? Donut? Penelope?
I got the blue donut.
A blue donut. Woo! Mmm. That one was always your guys' favorite.
So good.
Ivy, what did you get?
What?
From the Joffrey's cart. You got a donut too? It's a good little afternoon snacky.
I do have to say, Joffrey's make some of the best donuts.
They do, don't they?
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly. Alright.
They have some good coffee too.
And they make a good espresso martini. A good pumpkin espresso martini.
Again, cheers.
Cheers. Did you have him put vodka in yours too?
Mine's a
Stores?
I didn't even know they had. I saw they were doing the carriage cold brew. But I didn't know, yeah, they had that pumpkin patch one. Looks good. It's all good. Oop, I tripped. Alright, so a cool thing about Fort Wilderness is here's the Meadow Trading Post. If you go to the right, here, oh, sorry, not the Sky. This little over here is a bike rental, boat rental, kayak, all the little rental thing. But you can also buy a bag of gemstones. So that's what we did because we're big fans. So we got, you can get 3 different size bags. We got the biggest one, which was about, what, $32, $33? This one's the mother load. And you can, I think the cheapest one was about $15. So they have this water and this nice, like, platform for kids to sit on in case they can't reach up here. And they give you a little infographic, but then there's also one right here that says the different gemstones that you can get, shark teeth, fossils, and whatnot. So, a fun thing to do if you're kind of nerdy like us and you enjoy panning for gemstones. Is that a shark? That's a shark tooth?
It said raised teeth.
Oh, cool.
Oh
Oh my goodness, look at all of those.
He got me. Oh, he got
And you
purple.
got a sea clam in
Oh,
there, it looks like.
yeah.
Or a brachiopod.
Oh, we have some fool's gold right here.
Miles is up.
Nice.
And a clam. This is awesome. Thank you guys for getting it for us.
That's really, you got some quartz.
Can I go now? He got rose quartz. No.
Oh yeah, I got some for everybody to shake out.
Alright, oh yeah, so here's a little infographic that they gave us with the pan.
Good.
And if you were wondering, we also asked because we were planning on doing this after dinner, but they shut off this water in increment. So like if there's lightning at 5, they shut off this running water. They also shut it off at 7 p.m. So in case you were wondering, 7 p.m. is, you can't pan. But she said you can get this because you need to return this to the rental store. You can get it, keep it, and just as long as you like return it the next day. So they're very kind about it. So it's such a fun thing to do, but I love it. Oh yeah, more fool's gold pyrite. Whoa.
Where's the shark?
All right, I'll start putting them in little baggies. Oh, you got a baggie? Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Whoa.
There they come.
Did you
Whoa,
think?
Andy, you got some cool. You got another.
Oh, another
fossil.
shark tooth.
Mom, there's 2 in my bag.
Oh.
Rose quartz for you too. Mom, yeah, we had 2 shark teeth in mine.
There's so much in there.
Shark teeth.
Another shark
Yeah,
tooth.
yeah, that's cool.
Purple.
Wow. Yeah, it is. Oh, another arrowhead. What's
Shark
that?
tooth.
That's so
Yes.
cool.
There's so many little shark teeth or raised teeth. It
That's
says
so
raised.
fun. Oh, fun.